We're gonna make this pico. So it's gonna go on top of the enchiladas. Just cut the stems off. You can fold the top in half. Oh, I hate this cutting board so much. Should have looked for my nice flat cutting board. Whatever. So anyway, we cut it. Like I said, don't bruise it. Okay? Fingers. Shape of a claw. These are superpowers. Don't cut your fingers off. And just kind of work that cilantro in there. Now, if you're using just the leaves, yeah, you're gonna have to work it a little more. You're gonna have to make a little tight ball with it. I don't need a lot because this is just more for looks, okay? You can make a lot, but you don't have to. Not for what we're doing. Okay, so we're gonna get our tomatoes again. Cut our cilantro, put it in a bowl. Now this time, you can put lime in your cilantro with some salt. It helps to preserve it a little, I guess. Gives it a little flavor, but I'm not gonna put lime because we're cooking. What we got is a cream-based tamale or enchilada. And I don't know if anybody wants some lemon on their cream. So I'm not gonna include that. This is colorful. Now, also, without the lemon, you can use it for eggs. Everything else, throw some lemon in there, okay? So as I fight with this cutting board, see I took the insides out. Same thing, we don't want the insides. Let me see if you can see me cutting good. Try to run your knife through stuff, you know, it makes it a little easier. Just don't like this. Just don't like this little core. I would keep it. Aha! See, it was hiding. You found out what you doing. You trying to sabotage me. Trying to make me look like a fool. Wonderful thing you can do. Pico is very versatile. You can just make some pico. If you see my other videos, if you got avocado, and you make enough pico, you can have a side of pico, and then you can get your avocados, grab a couple handfuls of pico, throw it in there, and just mix it up, crush it. You can use a fork, you can use your hand if you're wearing a glove. Just mix that all up. That one will have the lime and some salt now. Like I said before, guys, please rinse all your veg and your meats. Alright, so I got cilantro, I got tomato, some onion. I don't know if I need this whole onion, but we'll take a look. I like to take off 2 layers, like I said. Sometimes I want to fight back. Right, pop that back in there. This is just going to be the pico. You may want some smaller pieces of onion. You don't want to spend all day cutting your onion. So, if you got people judging your cubing skills, your dicing skills, then tell them to make it themselves. Okay. Just go back the other way with it. Alright, there's our onion. Went ahead and used the whole thing. It's gonna have a nice red, white, green color and a lot of flavor. Jalapeno, again. Cut that top off. We're gonna cut it in half. Once again, it depends, you know, if you want it hot, by all means, leave it together. Me, no. I like the flavor, don't get me wrong. But it's not the seeds that are the real hot part, guys. It's that white vein that's in there. And the seeds are hot too, don't get me wrong, but you gotta get that vein out, not just the seeds. We rinse this, get all the seeds off. There's some seeds in there. Okay, so we got it. Seeds off the knife. Notice I like to cut everything from the inside out. It's a little bit easier. Alright, so I got everything for my pico, except my lime. I'm not going to put lime in it, but if you do get a lime and you find it's hard, just get it and roll it around. That way you can get all the juice out. I'll probably use this lime for something else later. Throw my trash away. Grab a glove and mix this pico up. Oops, put the glove on too early. Okay, so yeah, a little salt. Now, salt adds a little flavor and brings out some of the juice and helps preserve it a little bit. So it'll last 3 to 5 days. Use it by the 3rd day and we still got some good pico. Okay, just mix everything around. I had the cilantro on the bottom, but it looks good. It's pretty darn green, but hey, whatever. This is part of the fun of cooking. Alrighty, there we go. There's a nice pico. That didn't take any time at all.
You've just learned in this tape 3 critical areas of life and self-defense.